Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I will tell you one more fancy mocktail. Mocktail name is Cranberry Bloom. Very fancy mocktail. How to make Cranberry Bloom mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of ginger syrup. After that, you have to pour 180 to 180 ml of cranberry juice. 180 to 50 ml of cranberry juice. Then you have to pour lots of ice cream. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. This is very fancy mocktail. You can try with the combination of cranberry juice, ginger syrup, and lime juice. Then just take all the ingredients properly. Then take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. Then simply what you'll do, take a small decanter and you have to pour little bit of mango juice. Okay. After adding the mango juice, you have to pour soda on this. Okay. Then stir the juice in and slowly you have to pour on the top of the glass. Yeah, the fancy color came with the combination of okay. Then you can garnish it. Okay. You have to garnish and you have to garnish it. Neatly you can just do it. See, after that you can see your mocktail is ready. See, this is the very fancy mocktail. You can see how the color. Okay. I add little bit of more foreign. Yes. See, this is the cranberry blooming mocktail is ready with the combination of cranberry juice, ginger syrup, lemon juice, and mango and soda. So that two layer will be prepared. Whenever you have to pour slowly, you have to pour that mango juice and soda so that it will form some layer and it will look so fancy mocktail. Okay, I hope you would like this mocktail. See, this is the totally different mocktail you can try. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Cheers.